Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A13, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now for this, you'll need a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. You can also use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have either a paperclip or your little tool, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, as you can see where the pin is holding right now. You want to push it in, and the tray pops out. And once you take it out, you have space for SD card and 2 different SIM cards. I'm going to occupy one of each. Now it looks like the cards actually hold in place, so you don't need to worry about them popping out. From here, insert them back into your device and they should start working immediately. But you can see the SIM card is already working. It's asking me for my SIM pin. And there we go. Let's see, SD card is working as well, which I can see based on this notification right here, SD card inserted. So there we go. That is how you could insert your SIM and SD card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.